Here we go!
What is up everyone, Happy Nightmare here with a video, and today I'm building a pixel art. Some of you, if you read the comment section in my videos, you will know, because Crisis Champion 3 has chosen one. So, yeah, if you guys want to see a pixel art build, comment in this pixel art build, and then at the end, in the whole new next pixel art video, which is going to be around twice a week. I like doing pixel art. And if yours gets pulled out, then I do that pixel art. So, yeah. Hope you guys will vote and drop down in this video what pixel art you want to see next time. So yeah, Happy Nightmare, and I will see you, well, not really, building this awesome pixel Meta Knight. guys, Happy Nightmare here, and I hope you've all enjoyed this awesome build. I don't know why I have a gold sword in my hand, but sorry about the crunchy nose I'm eating. But yeah, thank you Crisis Champion 3 for the suggestion. And like I said in the intro, if you want me to build a pixel art, put the pixel art you want me to build in the comment section, and I will draw them out of a hat, and then whatever one comes out, I shall build. So far I built a Little Mac, which was my first one, Cute Umbreon, and now the Meta Knight. So yeah, anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this build, and I will see you next time. Peace!